Now in this video we're going to be manipulating our images in an image editing application. So I'm going to be using GIMP for this one because it's a free image editor that you can just download on the internet. Version is 2.10.3. You can use an earlier version, that's fine, or a later one. If for example you have Photoshop, that's also perfectly fine. Okay. So once you've downloaded this bit of software, we're just going to open this up. We're going to go to File, Open, just going to find my desktop, UI Images, and I'm going to start with the reference image. Just double click to open. Okay, then I'm going to go to File, Open, and I think I'll start with the background. So double click on BG. Then we're going to do Select All, Edit, and Copy back over to our original image. Then we're going to do Edit. Now instead of just Paste, we need to do Paste as New Layer. Okay, and what we see is that we get this new layer pasted in over here. Then using our fuzzy select tool, which is effectively our magic wand tool, we're going to set our threshold to about 30 should be good. So let me try and get it to 30. 31.5, 30.5, that'll do. 30, there we go. And make sure that anti-aliasing is on, and select transparent areas, that's fine. Just gonna double click on the black, that's gonna select anything that's black, and then I'm just gonna press delete. That will then get rid of the background. Okay. Now what I want to do is take my free select tool, which is also our lasso tool. In fact, let me do select none first, and then I'm just going to basically draw around this part here. Just click and move. You don't have to click and drag. That will then finish that. Click on this tool, the move tool, and then I'm going to do select invert to select everything except for this middle piece, and just press delete to get rid of all of that outer piece, and then select none. Okay, so that's our first piece. So now I can close this one down. Yep, discard changes, File, Open, then I'll do my health empty, and it's pretty much the same process. Okay, so select all, edit, copy, edit, paste as a new layer. Okay, back to our fuzzy select tool, just click on the black, press delete, select none. Okay, don't worry about if there's a slight black line around this object. We are going to be shrinking this, so that should then just disappear. Okay, back to our lasso tool or free select tool, and we're just basically going to draw around this. Okay, do back over to just move tool, select, invert, and then delete. Select none. All right, then on to our next one, discard changes, File, Open, elf full. Okay, exactly the same thing, so it's just select all, edit, copy, edit, paste as new layer. Okay, then fuzzy select, click on the black, delete, select none, over to our free select tool, just draw around this object. Over to the move tool, select, invert, and then press delete. Okay, so what I want you to do before the next video is effectively go through the other elements. I don't think there's many left, so I want you to do icon slots, mana full, stamina empty, and stamina full. These weapon icon and mana icon, ignore those for now. Okay, you don't need those. So I just want you to put all of those into this composition as new layers, and then once you've done that, you can then save as, just to ensure that you've got a backup of this piece.